and welcome back to my channel. It is I was going to say it's a really lovely day today, but I think the sun's just gone behind a cloud. But it has been really lovely for like the past few days, and I'm feeling really like, like I was going to say springy. I'm feeling like really in the mood for like spring, summer. Even though autumn, winter is my favourite time of year, spring and summer is just, yeah, to be fair, I love every single season. Apart from the spring actually isn't my favourite, because it's like, do I need a jacket? Don't I need a jacket? And it's just like, I'm fed up of wearing jackets now. Anyway, shut up, Sammy. So I have something very exciting to talk about. So I have collaborated with Ana Luisa once again. So this is the third time I've collabed with them. I literally have worn their other pieces like almost every single day, I think. They're beautiful. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got this time. So as you can see, I am wearing just two pieces of the jewellery. Technically three, but this is like a set. So first of all, we've got the Frida earrings, which are like little kind of huggy hoops with a little pearl on, and yeah, they're really cute. I love pearls at the moment. They're very on trend, aren't they? And then we have, sorry, I'm looking this way because I think I mentioned it last time I did a video in here. I've got the mirror behind. Then we have the Temple Green necklace set. So let me just, so you can actually adjust the sizes of these, and I've put this one a little bit higher today than I usually have it. But yeah, I think they're absolutely gorgeous. So this is actually a separate necklace to the bottom one, and then the bottom one's a separate necklace as well, which I really like that because it makes it more customizable, which I really like. So yeah. And then the last piece that I got is the meesh necklace. Here she is. See if we can get it to focus. No, sorry, I've got such shaky hands. Oh my gosh. There we go. Yeah, beautiful. And I haven't actually worn the meesh necklace out yet, but I cannot wait to. I think it'll look really cute with like a little dress or something. But yeah, so I absolutely love them. And I have actually, I don't think there's been a day where I haven't worn this one, and I've actually paired it. Have I got it here? Yes, I have. I paired it with the Yusuf necklace that I got, was it last time? I know, was it the time before? No, it was last time. Ana Luisa, which is one that says BU. I don't know if they're putting it, but yeah. And it looks really cute. I'll show you actually. I love like the layering of necklaces. I just think it looks really cute. And like, I feel like it like spices up any outfit. So like I was wearing like a hoodie, and I just put like these sort of three necklaces on and like sort of let it dangle out the front. That sounds weird. Let it poke out the front. Let it sort of put it out of the front of the hoodie, and it just looked really cute, and it looked like I put in like way more effort than I actually had. I'm just gonna lengthen this one a little bit because I like it when it's like a little bit longer than this one. I had like, I've got the lengths and everything like perfectly sorted out the way that I like them. But yeah, I have been wearing this nearly every single day. So, you know when you just find that combination that's just like perfect? This is it. Is that showing? I might need to lengthen it a little bit more just because I'm wearing a high neck t-shirt. But yeah, as I'm doing this, I'll talk a little bit about Ana Luisa. I think I've mentioned before, but they come in a recyclable box like this. And then the actual jewellery itself comes in these cute little pouches. If you've watched my last videos, you'll have seen me say about this before, but they're so good. And the Temple Green, because it's got two necklaces, so there's like a little thing in the middle, and yeah, put one necklace in one necklace in the other, like stop them getting mixed up. But actually, I've actually found with these necklaces that even if you do put them in the same thing, they don't tangle. Like, they're really good. And I usually get all my necklaces tangled because I'm a nightmare. I don't think I'm doing this right. Hold on. This is how, sorry, I've been looking at the mirror again. So this is how I would usually lay them. I've just done them a little bit looser today because I'm wearing a high neck top, mainly so you can see see the necklaces. But yeah, so what was I gonna say? Yeah, So they are adjustable as well, so you can like change them around, have them sort of like any length, and yeah, they're really, really good. So you could even add like another necklace in, like I want to add more. I quite like the layering look at the minute. Just spices things up a little bit, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm really, really grateful to have been asked to work with Ana Luisa again, so thank you so much, guys, for sending me these lovely pieces. They are so gorgeous, and like I say, I've already been wearing them non-stop. Yeah, I think these would also make a fantastic Mother's Day gift, which Mother's Day is next Sunday? This Sunday coming up. What day is it today? Yes, so Mother's Day is this Sunday coming up, or it should be by the time I post this video. So if you do feel like treating your mum or yourself, then head down to the description box below, because I do have a discount link which will get you 20% off the entire site. So yeah. Hello, so what I thought I'd do is show you how I style these pieces. So this is a casual outfit, as you can see. I say casual, bright pink pants there. So I decided to go with the Cora earrings, which are cute little paperclip style love heart earrings, and I love them so much. How cute are they? I feel like they fit with like the pink pants as well. I don't know why. I guess because love hearts are usually pink, but yeah. I just thought these would go really well with the outfit, so there they are, beautiful. And next I've got the Temple Green necklace set. So as I mentioned before, it comes with 2 necklaces and you can adjust them. I put them on a little bit longer because obviously I'm wearing a hoodie, and I used one of the heritage necklaces just to layer those necklaces up a little bit more. So yeah, so this is what I was talking about before, like I like them just like out the front of the hoodie. This makes it feel like I put a little bit more effort in than I actually did. Yeah. Again, I say casual and I've got bright pink pants on, so yes. But I do love this outfit. Okay, so this is an outfit that I put together the other day and I absolutely love, but I haven't had a chance to wear it out yet, so I'm gonna style it with some jewellery. So I've gone with the Frida hoops because I just feel like pearls really, really do suit this outfit, suit the vibe, suit the aesthetic, and then again the Temple Green necklace. And yeah, I just thought it looked really, really cute. Not as much layers as the other one, but I just think this is a little bit more subtle and it works with the outfit. Okay, next, so I got a quite minimal outfit here, which I do love it. I really do love it. So we're gonna spice it up with some jewellery, with some Ana Luisa jewellery. So we've got the Venus hoops here, which are just a staple almost in my everyday life. I wear these so much, I love them. So yes, some hoops there. And so we're going with the meesh necklace this time, which is the first time I've actually styled this, and oh my gosh, it is so cute. And I also thought I'd layer it with the Yusuf necklace, which is really, really cute. You can see the little BU there, and then I added one of the heritage necklaces just to add a little bit more layering in there with that, although it does work with just the Yusuf necklace and the meesh necklace too, but I just wanted a little bit more just to spice it up that extra bit. So yeah, let me know which one's your favourite out of these outfits in the comments. Just jumping on once again to remind you guys, if you do want to get 20% off Ana Luisa, just head down to the description box below and yeah, click on the link and you'll get 20% off site-wide. And once again, 10 out of 10, love them.